Okay, I've got the smoker going. Let me see where I can put the video camera where you can see. I'll try to put it right there where you can see better. Hopefully that'll work. Okay, they've drunk half of the sugar water, which is good. I'm going to sit this down. I'm going to lift this up and I'm going to try to gently move this without squishing a bee. I'm going to put some smoke under here and we're going to look for the queen. Lord, I hope she's alive. Okay, so we're going to remove this. Put this right there so they can get back. We're going to remove the package and just kind of sit it close so that the bees that want to can come back. Now let's see if we can find the queen. I'm going to slowly move this over. Here's her cage. Brush these bees off a little bit. She's still in there. So I'm going to leave her alone. She hasn't gotten out yet. So I'm going to leave her alone. And I'm going to go get some more wax, some more frames. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with more frames. Let me put them in there. You want to get them pretty close to each other, not to interfere with what I've read is called the bee space. They have to have a certain amount of room to be able to draw out the honeycomb. See, that one already likes this. So I think that's about all I can get in there. Maybe one more, because if you don't, they will start building on everything, is what I hear. So I'm being very careful not to squish them, because I think I might have killed some yesterday. Okay, So I'm going to put this back on. I think the tape came off, or I can't remember if I took it off. So let's slide this a little bit. If you slide it, you're not as apt to squish somebody. So we're going to do it like that, and I just squished one. Oh, it kills me. I know they're not pets, but I feel like they are. I'm going to put the super back on and continue with my feeding and leave them alone for a couple more days. And I don't think I need to fill that up anymore, because they're eating it fine, they're drinking it fine, and they're eating it fine. It looks like they're doing fine. So I think I'm going to open up the entrance reducer, take the tape off of this, and this just reduces, they can only come in and out that little spot. I think that's how you do it. We'll try it. There's a few dead bees around here, but you know that's going to happen. Bees only live, I think, 30 days. I'm going to leave this package here for another couple of days. Make sure they all get out. The smoker's going nicely.